In this video, we'll walk you through the complete process of uploading racks into your warehouse management system. First, we'll download the predefined CSV template provided by the system. This template ensures that all rack details follow the correct format before uploading. Next, we'll fill in the template with the required rack information, such as rack codes, names, and locations, to create a properly formatted rack file. Once the file is ready, we'll import it directly into the warehouse management system. You'll see how the system validates and processes each rack entry. Finally, we'll review how to identify and fix any failed rack uploads. You'll learn how to correct errors and re-import the file to ensure all racks are successfully added. Let's begin with downloading required template. In order to create rack, click on Upload Rack on the Manage Rack page. From here, you can download CSV template, which can be used to create racks for your warehouse. From the Help icon, you can view the column details. Now, let's prepare rack data. Please enter row data for zone, rack, shelf, and cell, and save the file to upload. These columns can be configured as per requirement. For quick uploads, we recommend creating racks up to 5,000 rows. Next, let's import it into the system. Now in the form, select the warehouse and choose the Save CSV file above and click on Import Racks. You'll get the success message when all the rack locations are imported in the system successfully. Now, let's handle failed uploads. If the upload fails, a CSV file containing the failed rack locations will be automatically downloaded. You can correct the data and re-upload the file. Failure can be due to same rack location already exists in the warehouse, duplicate in the CSV file, or missing columns. This completes the demo, and now you should know how to import and manage racks in warehouse management system, making your warehouse setup faster. Thank you for watching.